This YouTube channel has generated over 13 million views in the first 2 months of being active on YouTube. The Elderly Wisdom channel achieved this milestone without showing their face or creating any content themselves. It may sound too good to be true, but Elderly Wisdom has shown us that it is possible. Elderly Wisdom is a channel dedicated to providing motivational stories, quotes, and tips specifically catered towards seniors. This untapped niche is underserved and highly engaging. Repackaging and curating existing content has allowed Elderly Wisdom not only to fulfill a very important void within the content world, but to do it in alignment with the YouTube algorithm, leading to rapid growth. Such a business model is extremely profitable, and what makes it even better is the ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing opportunities. When combined, this can reach over $20,000 a month. This serves as a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to build a profitable YouTube channel without having to show yourself or ever appearing on the camera. In this video, we'll provide details regarding the steps anyone can take to replicate the channel's success, such as automating the content production, implementing successful monetization strategies, and most importantly, selecting the correct niche. Channel creation and SEO. Let's get started on configuring your personal money printing machine, shall we? First things first, you need a channel. If you are new to YouTube, simply navigate to your profile, select Switch Account, and then create a new channel. Now, as for the name, don't just use any random name. We are looking for clicks, right? ChatGPT will help you generate amazing names based on YouTube channels, performing exceptionally well in the specific niche you would like to get into. For this case, we'll use Ageless Advice. If you do not like what you are getting, keep regenerating until you find a name that screams, "Watch me." Next, the description. We do not need essays, we need direct and engaging content. Ask ChatGPT to generate a short description that hooks your viewers instantly. Consider it as your digital elevator pitch. Now, we need to focus on SEO because this is where the magic happens. Tags are your golden tickets. Load your tags with keywords such as elderly wisdom or motivational stories and everything else your audience is looking for. But wait, here's the catch. Do not go around stuffing it with random crap. YouTube is smarter than that and will know you are using irrelevant tags. Make sure to stick to relevant tags and select your category. For this case, we will go with education or inspiration. But wait, your YouTube channel can't be complete without a good branding, so let's jump into that. Channel branding. Branding is the heart of your motivational YouTube channel. It is what makes people pay attention and the reason why they want to return to your channel. To start off, use ChatGPT to write a specific prompt for ideogram, since that is where our branding graphics will be produced. Here's an example of branding prompts for a motivational YouTube channel. Stylized golden laurel wreath encircling an open book, or abstract sunrise over a silhouette of an elder. This will help you achieve a design that sticks in. The viewer's mind conveys wisdom and timelessness that will put you a step ahead of your competition. The next step is the banner, which serves as your channel's digital storefront. Use ChatGPT again to generate the prompt needs. For example, panoramic view of a serene mountain range with inspirational text overlay, or textured background that has a simple yet elegant font stating the purpose of the channel. Similar to Elderly Wisdom, ideogram will help you to capture the brand essence of the channel with eye-catching visuals. The Polish step is what I would call a professional edit, which you can do in Canva or Photopea. Overlay your channel name on the other visual parts in a clean and elegant font that is easy to read, as it needs to be suitable for all devices. Pay close attention to the color palettes, making sure they are warm colors that speak to the audience. Just like that, your professional YouTube channel is already set up. The only step left will be coming up with ideas for the YouTube channel, Idea Generator. When it comes to content creation, the primary objective is to create engaging and valuable videos from the get-go. AI tools such as ChatGPT can help you to come up with ideas from scratch. This can include awesome video ideas with compelling prompts. For example, in this case, let's say we're building a motivational channel. We'll use ChatGPT to come up with video topics around quotes or life senior hacks. But that's not it. vidIQ's AI Video Idea Generator and VEEDS, Our video idea generator platforms suggest topics for videos tailored to your audience composite and also analyze the trends. Although the combination of these AI-generated video ideas with your personal observations would make the video more authentic and engaging for the viewers. The topic selection is done. Now it is time to increase the visual appeal of the content with the aid of detailed prompts for image generation. This is where ChatGPT comes in. Feed it information about the images you want for your video, and it will prepare a prompt to use and generate images you so desire. Free image generator. Now let's transform those ChatGPT prompts into stunning visuals while staying within budget. Skip overpriced subscriptions. We're going free and rocking it. Pika Labs is your new best friend when it comes to AI image creations. The user interface is pristine, and the outcomes? Absolutely mind-blowing. Use the prompts you created using ChatGPT and modify the parameters. For those landscape YouTube treasures, we aim 16:9, then allow Pika Labs to do its thing. You will have professionally looking images within seconds. We are talking about scroller-stopping realism. And the best part? The visuals are consistent. Use the seed number from your primary image while generating following scenes to make your visuals cohesive and consistent. This guarantees that the environment and characters stay the same. So, your videos get that clean, high-quality production look. Pika Labs gets this right and saves you hours of editing. Keep in mind that AI isn't perfect, so you might want to edit some prompts a little. But with little to no effort, you'll get a jaw-dropping set of visuals that will keep your audience engaged. And now the most exciting part, let's explore AI video creation. Video generation is where your content truly comes alive, transforming static images into engaging, dynamic visuals that capture your audience's attention. To get started, consider using Minimax, an efficient and versatile tool for image-to-video conversion. With Minimax, the process is streamlined and beginner-friendly. Begin by uploading the images you created. Ensure they're optimized to reflect your storytelling goals. Don't forget to include the same prompts you use during the image generation phase, as consistency is key to maintaining a cohesive visual style. As a free user, you can generate up to 3 videos concurrently, saving time while ensuring quality. For every image, Minimax uses its advanced algorithms to create smooth animations that breathe life into your scenes. You'll want to carefully review each clip once it's rendered, fine-tuning any elements that need adjustment to align with your story. Although Minimax offers a superb choice, remember to look into other platforms that offer free credits to expand your horizons and try new approaches. The aim is to produce stunning visuals that match your audio perfectly and keep the audience captivated. It is time to edit your video. Clips into a compilation that will enhance your niche and revenue once you have completed your videos. Video editing now. Let's assemble these animated clips into a seamless, engaging video that'll keep viewers hooked and the cash rolling in. We're using CapCut, a free powerhouse that'll get the job done. Import your clips, and remember, AI isn't perfect. Spot any glitches? Snip them out. We're aiming for a polished, realistic flow. Now, transitions. Keep it clean. A simple mix transition between clips provides a smooth, professional feel. Now we elevate the experience with sound. Download and use background music that can enhance the appeal of the video you're trying to create. Layer the music meticulously. Match them to the visuals, adjust volumes, and create a dynamic soundscape. Remember, audio is half the experience. Since you used Minimax for generating your video in a free mood, there'll be a Minimax watermark at the bottom right corner of your video. But you don't have to worry because here's how to get rid of it. Add a text layer with your channel name, make it bold and clear, and position it strategically. This isn't just covering a logo, it's branding your content. Finally, a filter. A subtle, clear filter enhances the visuals without being distracted. Export your video in 1080p or 4K so that you can upload the best quality videos on your channel. Now you're almost there, you just need the right tag and description. Tags and description. Killer video needs a killer description and tags to get those views rolling in, and consequently, the cash. Let's not write a boring summary. Instead, grab a pen and write a narrative that'll hook the viewer from the first line. Go to ChatGPT and input this. Write a compelling video description for a YouTube video about your video's story. Don't forget to add all the image prompts you created before. Treat your video description as a movie teaser short, to the point, and leaves the audience wanting more. Tags are the images of your video. They are breadcrumbs that lead the audience to the main content. We are not just chucking random words in a box, we are formulating a plan. Ask ChatGPT to come up with tags for your video, but don't stop there. Analyze the generated tags. Now I ask you, which tags are specific to the niches with a lot of volume and very little competition? Can you spot the tags that are specific to your niche? Check what tags are being used on all of the other successful channels in your niche. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can give you ideas for tagging strategy. Remember, we are not copying, we are adapting. With this newly found knowledge, you're only one step away from being a YouTube channel owner. So what are you waiting for? Just follow these easy steps and utilize the free AI tools used in this video to get started. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more engaging videos like this one. See you in our next video.